Hello, Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. After completing the preparatory series of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad for grade 5, 6, and 7, we are going to start the preparatory series for Silver Zone Science Olympiad for grade 5th, 6th, 7, and 8. Here, we solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. Each question of every exercise will be well explained. Each chapter contains 40 questions, which is divided into two part videos of 20 and 20 questions for all four grades. Every week, we release one video of each class, that is Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday for grade 8, 7, 6, and 5 respectively. To get the videos at your earliest, subscribe our channel and hit the bell button so that you can be ready for your Olympiad exam on time. And do share the video with your friends so that all the Olympiad aspirants can be benefited. And my one request is that please mention your feedback in the comment section. Actually, it means a lot for me and motivates me to make such videos. Thank you. Now let's start. Grade 7 Science Silver Zone Comprehensive Book, Chapter 3 Physical and Chemical Change. Video Part 1, Question number 1. Which is not a unit of measuring temperature? So to measure the temperature, units used are the Celsius, Fahrenheit, Kelvin, Rankine, and Reaumur. So these are the units which is used for measuring temperature. So here is the option C, Pascal. Pascal is used to measure the pressure. Okay. So first answer will be option C. Question number 2. If freezing point of 32 degree Fahrenheit of ice is 32 degree Fahrenheit, then the freezing point of ice in Kelvin is 32 degree Fahrenheit. So you can just see what is the formula for the conversion of the Fahrenheit to Kelvin. Okay, so here Kelvin Fahrenheit value is given. So 32 minus 32 upon 1.8. So it will be your 0 only, and 0 plus 273. So it will be 273.15. The answer should be option B. So second answer will be option B. Question number 3. Two friends, Raman and Raghu, measured the body temperature of Yashika. According to the Raman, it was 39 degrees centigrade, and according to Raghu, it was 102.2 degrees Fahrenheit. If the body temperature of Yashika on Kelvin scale is 312.15, then who is correct among the following? Actually, it is 3900 degrees centigrade according to Raman. So Raman's temperature should be your 312. Actually, the actual temperature is 312.15 minus 273.15. So there will be 0.00, 12 minus 3, 9, and here it is 10 minus 7, 39 degrees centigrade. Using this formula, I calculated, no, it is in in centigrade. Using this formula, I have calculated the Raman's temperature in centigrade. So yes, it is 39 degrees centigrade. Raman has checked 39 degrees centigrade, and actual is the 39 degrees centigrade. Okay. Now second one, he found 102.02 degrees centigrade. So convert into Fahrenheit, from Fahrenheit to Kelvin. This is your Raghu. So Raghu has measured F to 102.2 degrees centigrade minus 32 upon 1.8 plus 273.15. ठीक है, तो after simplification you can get the Kelvin will be 312.15 only. So it means Raghu is also correct. So both Raman and Raghu are correct. So third answer will be your option C. Okay. Question number 4. Boiling point of water is, the boiling point of water on the Kelvin scale, it is 373 Kelvin. Celsius it is 100 degree and Fahrenheit it is 212 degree Fahrenheit. So answer will be option B. Fourth answer is option B. Question number 5. Temperature of boiling solution in the kitchen can be measured by using. So in the kitchen, okay, so will be measured by using lab thermometer. Okay, we use the lab thermometer. This is your lab thermometer. And this is your barometer. We use barometer for measuring pressure. And this is your speedometer. We use speedometer to measure speed. Okay, so fifth answer will be your option C. Question number 6. Rising of mercury in the thermometer is due to. You can see at low temperature the mercury is at here, and at the high temperature the mercury is here. It means there is the expansion. There is the expansion. So option B will be the correct answer. Sixth answer is option B. Question number 7. In the process of convection, transfer of molecules do not occur. No, you can see I have shown in the picture the warm molecules just go up and the hot molecules just go down due to the weight difference. Okay, the transfer of molecule occurs, yes. The seventh answer will be option B. Question number 8. Kink in a clinical thermometer. So I have just shown this is the kink. Kink is used, kink is given in the clinical thermometer to stop the mercury when it expand and raise up to a some certain limit, and there is the kink. It just keeps the mercury at its level only. When you need to just measure the new temperature, you need to just give the shock to the thermometer, and all the thermometer just go all the mercury will just come down and you can measure the temperature again. So kink is do not play any role. No, it plays any some role. Expands the mercury? No. Prevents the mercury from flowing back into the bulb just after measuring the temperature? Yes. Eighth answer will be option C. Question number 9. Which one of the following is essential for rusting of iron? So oxygen, this is the iron and it reacts with water and oxygen. Then the rust formed. Water vapor, yes. Iron, yes. All of the above, yes. Ninth answer will be option D. Question number 10. 405 degrees centigrade is equal to dash Fahrenheit. So here the value of the centigrade is given. We have to just find the Fahrenheit. So what will be the value of the Fahrenheit? So it will be your 9C by F plus 32. So it is your 9 multiplied by 405 upon 5 plus 32. So 5 8s are 40, 5 1s are 5 and 9 ones are 9, 9 eights are 72. Okay, and plus 32. So 9 to 11, 3 to 5 plus 1, 6, and then 7. So 700 degree, 761 degree Fahrenheit. It is in the option number B. So 10th answer will be your option. Okay. Question number 11. Match the following. It is actually given the radiation, conduction, convection. These are the modes of the transfer of heat. So solid due to conduction. Okay. Gases due to convection. And in the vacuum, there is the radiation. Actually, radiation does not need the material medium. And kink is present in the doctor's thermometer. Okay. So that's why answer will be 11. A. 1. C 2, D 3, A 3B and 4 A. Okay, 11th answer will be option A. Question number 12. Ice is covered with a jute cloth to slow the process of melting because it is harsh to touch. No, it is poor conductor of heat. If heat cannot conduct, then the ice can be in its original form only. है ना? तो 12th answer will be option B. Question number 13. a way of transferring heat from hot body to cold body which do not require material medium. So do not require material medium means radiation. So 13th answer will be option C. ठीक है. Question number 14. Molecules of matter on heating move slower? No, move faster. You can see it can move faster. So 14th answer will be your option C. Question number 15. Some utensils of stainless steel are provided with the copper bottom. Why? Copper is easy to clean? No. It looks good? No. Copper is better conductor of heat than stainless steel. Yes, that's why the utensil can get more heat and can cook your food very easily. So 15th answer will be option C. Question number 16. Convert minus 150 degree centigrade to Kelvin. So for the Kelvin, you can see the formula is degree centigrade plus 273.15. So minus 150 plus 273.15. It will be your 123 Kelvin. Actually, there is the 0.15. Sometimes we can neglect it. We just take plus 273. So that's why we will go with the option A. The 16th answer is option A. Okay. Question number 17. Higher kinetic energy of the molecule of the body is observed when the body is at so lower temperature, higher temperature, very low temperature, all of them. Higher temperature. Higher kinetic energy means the higher speed of the molecule. It will be at the higher temperature only. So 17th answer will be option B. Question number 18. 1 liter of water is 25 degrees centigrade is mixed with 1 liter of water at 35 degrees centigrade. The temperature of the mixer will be, actually there is one 25 degrees centigrade, another one is that 35 degrees centigrade, and when it will just mix, the temperature will become between the 25 to 35 degrees centigrade. It is in the option number C. 18th answer is option C. Question number 19. Method of heat transfer by which heat is transferred from sun to earth. So from the sun to earth, there at the some spaces there is not any material medium, and without material medium, the mode of the transfer can be radiation only. The ninth answer will be your option C. Question number 20. When a ribbon of magnesium is burned in air, magnesium oxide is formed. This is an example of physical change, chemical change, temporary change, or all of the above. It is the chemical change. Actually, magnesium oxide is the new product form. Okay, so that's why 20 answer will be your option. Okay. Thank you for watching this video completely. I want to share one more information with you, which can boost your Olympiad preparation. Actually, we are going to launch Olympiad courses on our app F2S Olympiads classes. You can download it from the Play Store. These courses are available for the subject Maths and Science for grade 2 to 8. In this course, you will find all the Olympiad related study materials, chapter wise question paper, and test series for the complete syllabus. Using this app, you can check the level of your Olympiad preparation as well as you can gear up your study. Go and download this app and check the courses. It is available at very nominal cost. And if you have any doubt related to the worksheet explained or about the app, you can write your doubt in the comment section. I will definitely answer it. Thank you.